Hello everybody and welcome back. I am very excited about this unboxing I have for you. I had ordered some axolotl larvae, or that's the proper term for axolotl fry. They're babies and I'm excited to see how they turned out and try my luck at raising them up. So I got these from Patricia from Alotl, and I have to say she is very passionate about the hobby and more specific about axolotls. This whole week she has stayed in contact with me talking about the process and stuff like that I'm gonna have to go through, worm cultures and all kinds of stuff like that to feed them. So I would like to just give her a shout out, and of course I'm gonna put her links in the description. Oh wow, look at that. That ain't even some printed off thing. That is something that she actually took the time to draw. And it's going to get hung up in this room because this 60 gallons going to end up being an axolotl tank. And this is where the babies are going for now. So thank you very much, Patricia. I appreciate that. Oh snap, and a card. Thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions or concerns, please text me. Oh wow, I got a number. I better not put that in there. Enjoy these babies. Thanks a lot. Please leave a short review / feedback on my Instagram. A lot of love. Now she did not use a heat pack, and she told me that she was not going to, because it could have been potentially hazardous. Oh, look at them! Look at these little dudes! Oh my god! This is so cool! These dudes are so cute. I've never seen them so small. Hi, babies! So, I got a few different types. I know one for sure is supposed to be a glow type, and then the other is at random, and this is a pre-prepped worm culture. She made it in a bag. I have some of these prepping right now, the container version of it. She sent a cool pack just in case it gets too hot. Obviously, axolotls are cold water creatures, so not that they should be submitted to freezing temperatures. They can still die from it, but you definitely don't want them getting too hot. So that's why she chose to send the ice thing instead of heat packs. I need to get these guys in their container and acclimating, and I will show you guys them in the container at the end of this video. Thank you all so very much for watching. Please go hit up Patricia on Alotl on Instagram. Thank you. Okay, everybody, I got them in their container. Look at their little eyes. They're so cute. This is gonna be so fun watching these little guys grow up. I'm not even gonna try to do the black light, blue light to figure them out till they get a little bigger. Axolotls don't have eyelids, so the black light is actually kind of hard on their eyes. So I would recommend using a blue light instead of a black light if you think you have a glow type. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like and notification bell so you can follow me on my journey raising these guys up.